Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to import and export videos from your iPhone or iPad to your Windows computer. Once you have the folder where you are going to be saving all of your videos, you are going to do a right click on it. Then you go to give access to. A submenu will open. Now click on the specific people. This will open the network access window. Click on the arrow to the left of the Add button and click Everyone. You can change this later if you want to. Now, on the permission level side, click on the arrow and click on Read and Write. Everything's looking good so far, so go ahead and click on Share. Do not close this window just yet. It shows the path to your computer's shared folder, so keep it open or write it down. For the next step, let's open your network's connection menu. In my case, it is an Ethernet connection. Yours could be Wi-Fi. So go ahead, right-click on it and open the network and sharing settings. This screen is going to pop up. Now, click on the Network and Sharing Center. Then, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Windows should have changed these settings for you. If not, turn on Network Discovery and turn on File and Printer Sharing. Now let's check the All Networks menu. Turn on Sharing should be on. I turned off password sharing because I was having issues connecting to my laptop in LumaFusion, but you can try and leave it on, it is up to you. Once you're done with this, click on Save Changes. Back on the network status screen, click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi properties if you are using Wi-Fi. You are going to be looking for your IPv4 address. Once you find it, write it down. Well, that was the complicated part. Let's have fun with LumaFusion now. For the next step, I'm gonna tap on Import Media and then on Add Server. In the server name box, enter the path to your shared folder. In the host or address box, enter your IP number and tap OK. Okay, now I have access to my laptop's shared folder. I am going to import a large video to check on the connection speed. Okay, the video is in LumaFusion's imported media folder now. I'm going to put it on the timeline. Seems like everything's good. I am going to render the video, tap on wireless network drives, same settings, gonna tap on export. I am going to render to another folder. I think I use the same one. Upload complete. All right. Let's watch the video on my laptop. Looks like we did it. Now you can send videos to your Windows computer directly from LumaFusion without the hassle of running out of space in your iOS device. Thank you for watching.